Sige, Mr. Sudhir Lashram, CEO, Career Point Coach. May I now
My name is Sakshi Sharma and I'm from Career Point Kota head office. I have over 8 years of experience in education field and I'm the success manager of Imphal Center. And in a Career Point, Kota is an educational institute that started in Kota in 1993. It helps students to provide preparation for IIT and NEET just examination.
So how long has been this Kota
We have 31 years of legacy.
in Manipur? In Manipur.
Manipur,
Just launching.
just launching. Today is the launching day.
How many branches are there?
We have 50 plus branches in Pan India. And we have a, sorry?
In Northeast?
In Northeast, we have only 2 branches. One is Rangya and our second one is Imphal. Just 2 minutes.
How many students are you targeting per year?
In
Pass
Imphal?
out Imphal,
Imphal?
yeah.
Actually, we are focusing on 500 students. For this year. And after this year, we are targeting more students. So we currently are focusing on at least 500 students in Imphal.
What are the facilities provided in this career point?
Actually, with the career point, it is an educational hub. So we are best in the the competitive examination. So we are providing a classes for a state board, CBSE board, and in Olympiad exams. And we are main focusing on competitive exams like in IIT and NEET aspirants.
There are so many career institute or coaching center in Nepal right now. So rather choosing other center, why would the students choose career point?
Actually, we have certain USPs like we have a limited batch size. We have a 25, 20 जैसे 30 students and we have a limited अपने batch size. Our academic team is from Kota and we are providing student for a digital application. So student can learn from Kota also live. And we have a exam oriented study materials.